How to learn AI skills to stay relevant in future jobs by AliAzizQualityEducation.
AliAziz Quality Education channel providing you the job best interview related videos, so don't forget the subscription button.
How to learn AI skills to stay relevant in future jobs. Artificial intelligence is transforming the job market rapidly. Many traditional jobs are changing, and new roles are emerging that require AI knowledge. To stay relevant and competitive in future careers, learning AI skills is no longer optional, it is essential. Let's understand how you can start learning AI skills step by step. Why learning AI skills is important. AI is now used in almost every industry, including healthcare, banking, education, manufacturing, marketing. Employers prefer candidates who understand AI tools and digital technologies. People who ignore AI may struggle to find good job opportunities in the future. Step 1. Understand the basics of AI. Before learning advanced skills, start with basic concepts such as: what is artificial intelligence? Machine learning fundamentals. How AI works in real life. You don't need coding knowledge at the beginning. Focus on understanding the core ideas. Step 2. Learn essential digital skills. AI works with digital tools, so you should develop basic technical skills like computer literacy, data handling, internet research skills, using online productivity tools. These skills build a strong foundation for AI learning. Step 3. Learn data skills. Data is the backbone of AI. Important skills include basic Excel and data analysis, understanding data patterns, data visualization basics. Learning how to work with data makes AI easier to understand. Step 4. Explore AI tools, no coding required. You can start using AI without programming knowledge. Examples: AI writing tools, AI design tools, AI productivity apps. Using these tools helps you understand how AI functions in real-world tasks. Step 5. Learn basic programming, optional but powerful. If you want to go deeper into AI, learning programming can be very helpful. Popular languages include Python, SQL, basic coding logic. Even basic programming knowledge can open many career opportunities. Step 6. Take online AI courses. Many free and paid courses are available online. Look for courses that teach AI fundamentals, practical AI applications, hands-on projects. Certificates also improve your resume value. Step 7. Apply AI in your field. AI is not only for IT professionals. You can use AI in business and marketing, education and teaching, engineering and design, healthcare and research. Learning how AI applies to your career field makes you future ready. Step 8. Build practical experience. The best way to learn AI is by doing. You can practice with AI tools daily. Work on small projects. Solve real-life problems using AI. Practical experience builds confidence and skills. Step 9. Develop soft skills along with AI. AI cannot replace human qualities such as creativity, communication, leadership, critical thinking. Combining AI knowledge with soft skills makes you highly valuable. The future belongs to people who can adapt and learn new technologies. AI is not here to replace everyone, but it will replace those who refuse to learn. By starting early and continuously improving your skills, you can stay relevant and succeed in future job markets.